Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our assembly today. We are so happy to see you all gathered here. Our talented grade 6 students have prepared a short play for us. Please give them your full attention as they perform.
Once upon a time, a door was locked for a long time.
Money cannot earn respect or open hearts.
I am power. People fear me, people obey me. Surely the door will open for me. Oh, it's not open.
Power may control people for a time, but it cannot earn respect.
I am fame. I shine. People clap for me, more doors my surely this door will open. This is so unfair.
Beauty may attract attention, but it fades away. It cannot keep respect.
I have respect. I listen, I care, I treat everyone with kindness. May I try?
It was wonderful. Thank you, grade 6, for the great effort you put into the play. Next, we are going to enjoy a special performance by one of our talented singers. Please welcome Shahbaz from grade 5, who will sing a song for us.
I'm gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel really good, gonna make a difference, gonna make it right. I'm starting with the man in the blood. I'm asking him to change his way. And no mistake could happen any clearer. Want to make the world a better place. Take a look at the sun and make a change.
Thank you for sharing your beautiful voice with us. And now we have reached the final part of today's program. This is a very special moment, the time for the Principal's Award. Please welcome our respected principal to the stage.
Wow, that was so beautiful. They deserve one round of applause, please.